student, if you are planning CP1 for upcoming April and May 2025, then this is a quick video for you. So we at Academic Junction are providing training for CP1 via different programs. At the time of your enrollment, you will get access to videos. Now videos have everything. We have divided videos into two types. One is content lectures and the other is past paper lectures. So in content lectures, we have covered everything in detail, your entire co-reading plus your practice questions at the end of the chapter plus X series questions are covered in detail. So you can skip going through co-reading because videos have everything. Now apart from content lectures, you get access to past paper lectures. So in past papers lectures, we have covered different past paper questions from both IA and IFOA from 2012 onwards. So you can skip going through past papers as well on your own. When you are watching videos, past papers lectures especially, you are getting prepared for the different style questions in the videos only. Now apart from the videos, we have live sessions, live Zoom sessions being scheduled every weekend where we do group discussions on the spot. We do questions discussion, case study discussions, we work on points building exercise. So it's very important to attend those sessions so that you can understand that where you are actually committing mistakes. But every session is getting recorded, so in case you are unable to attend it live, it will get uploaded on the portal as well. Now apart from the videos and these live sessions, you will get access to chapter wise notes. So you don't need to go through the core reading again and again for revision purpose. Notes are everything. Apart from chapter wise notes, we have unit wise assignments, unit wise tests, and finally mocks. And your tests and mocks will get checked by us, and you will get feedback on your attempted tests and mocks so that you can understand that where you are committing mistakes, in which all points you are lagging in, which all points need to be added to your answer, which are irrelevant points and need to be reduced. So it's important that you should be having all the resources if you are preparing for April and May 2025. And we at Academic Junction have already started with our batches for CP1. So if you are planning CP1 for the upcoming attempt, it's advisable to start it ASAP because this subject requires a lot of preparation. You need some time to understand what the question says. You need some time to make the points, especially you need to make double the points corresponding to the marks available. So you need some time to make that level of points, to make the points which are required for exam, to reach the exam standard. So if you are planning CP1 for April and May 2025, it's high time to start it ASAP. And we at Academic Junction are available for all your help. So in case you have any queries, any confusion with regard to CP1 training, feel free to connect with us. Thank you.